this video, I'm going to guide you on how to make your private server public in Roblox. Let's start this tutorial by opening Roblox on your device. You can use the Roblox app or the player if you want, but for now, we'll be using the Roblox website using a browser. Log into your Roblox account, and once you're in the Home tab, open the game that you want. For now, let's open this game right here. Next, click the Servers button under the game experience. Now, let's create a private server first. Click on the Create Private Server button right here, and then enter the name of the server you want. After that, click the Buy Now button below. Depending on the game that you've chosen, creating a private server sometimes use Robux to purchase it. Once you're done creating your private server, then go over to it. Next, click the three dots icon beside your private server and then select Configure. In here, for you to set it to public, simply turn on the button beside the Friends Allow to allow your friends to join you on that server. You can also add people to the server and generate a private link of your private server if you want. That's about it.